Oh, I forgot my name now.
Say it.
Okay, wait. Okay. I'm Margaret, and
I'm Imani.
this is Margaret and Imani. Show. Okay.
Today we're doing
About nature.
Okay, give us a nature walk.
Let's go. Okay. These are like normal leaves. They're like a bush, but you see the mostly leaves on trees. But these are really colorful roses. And you can see how this one is really gonna grow. And this is a nice, beautiful one. See how nice of that color with that light little dash of ash green. And now we're gonna look to these purple flowers. They're really used as for weddings, but not mostly. And see, this is really old. You could tell because their leaves are really coming up. And here we are in the goodest flowers ever. They're like a big bunch, like for ponds. And look at that color leaf. It's so round. And see, these are really, and see how they start when they grow. So they're really nice to grow on the texture. Now let's go to over here. So there are many different kind of plants in the world.
You're good at this.
And so some are really poisonous, but not always. This is a different kind of plant. And you see how nice it is? How it could be on that. So, like, these are really sticky when you open them. When you rip a piece, you see that there's sticky stuff. But this one is getting old, so it's really like this hair. So let's go to, but this is the most sticky one. See, by its nutrients, it's really wet. So it's really sticky for your hands. So some plants are sharp, and some plants are not. But mostly flowers. There's many different kind of flowers and trees, like the rainforest. They have different amazing plants. See, this is like a rose
Garden.
Yeah, rose garden. This is the one. It's nice. See how it has orange in the middle, right there, and white. That's the pollen. How you know? Oh yeah. You see how it is, eh? It's like the new ones. Imani, I'm gonna show you something that you will like. Probably not, but this color pink. It's a nice color. It's the same as the other one, but it's a different color. See how they're brightening with these leaves? So if you get that texture on that and that color, it'll be really pretty. So, and this is a, wait. This is like a light color pink. It's like mostly for you wear at weddings on your head. And you see how it brightens up like wedding? Because it has white in it. And that white makes it like a color of pink. And it has that thing because when you wear at weddings, you know how you have to wear this white colored dress and you can have your veil. And there's orange, like a kind of red orange, but this is just normally orange.
Butterfly.